Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 19th day is 1. Spruik. A. Speak in public, especially to advertise a show. Men who spruik outside striptease joints. B. Spiel. Promote or publicize. The company forked out $15 million to spruik its digital revolution. Thomson might have had the power of the press to spruik his message, but he had other factors going against him. 2. Toppy. A foolish or thoughtless young person. He cannot bear the toppy, and doesn't like to have her pointed out as his sister. 3. Argot. An often more or less secret vocabulary and idiom peculiar to a particular group. The jargon or slang of a particular group or class. Teenage argot. They developed their own argot and rebellious fashion codes. 4. Trapeze. An apparatus consisting of a short horizontal bar suspended by 2 ropes, used in gymnastics and acrobatics. She performs on the trapeze in a circus. She makes swinging on a trapeze look way too easy. 5. Accident. Advanced usage of familiar words. A. An unforeseen and unplanned event or circumstance. B. Lack of intention or necessity, chance. C. An unfortunate event resulting especially from carelessness or ignorance. D. A non-essential property or quality of an entity or circumstance. I found it by accident. It was no accident that she was standing there at that precise moment. A new study suggests that a long life is no accident. 6. Foursquare. A. Firm, unyielding. Squarely and solidly. A castle standing foursquare on a peninsula. B. Frank, forthright. C. Square in shape. In a firm or forthright manner. They stood foursquare behind their chief, and they would not accept pressure on him to resign. 7. Skulk. A. To move in a stealthy or furtive manner. B. To hide or conceal something, as oneself, often out of cowardice or fear or with sinister intent. Keep out of sight, typically with a sinister or cowardly motive. Don't skulk outside the door like a spy. To be silent and refuse to smile or be pleasant to people because you are angry about something that was done to you. He's sulking in his room because I wouldn't let him have any more chocolate. 8. Triangulate. A. To position between two extremes, for example, in politics to appeal to both left and right wings. The book documents the typical weaknesses in research, as they are not all well designed or triangulated. 9. Palter. To act insincerely or deceitfully, to act or deal evasively, to use trickery. Be deliberately ambiguous or unclear in order to mislead or withhold information. Politicians are paltering experts. They palter when they leave out important information or use euphemisms to confuse voters. Trifle with, This great work should not be paltered with. 10. Matrilineal, inheriting or determining descent through the female line. Theirs is a matrilineal society where inheritance of the family property is passed to the youngest daughter. Do not think that you should palter with the truth either because it may not be palatable to me or seem decorous to yourself. If the children in a culture take their mother's last name and not their father's, it is a matrilineal tradition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.